Okay. So let's go to the webinar jam. Okay, so here's what I'm talking about. So this is using a service called Webinar Jam, which I've had for years. But anyway, so they gave us this service or this option of doing whiteboarding. So I can turn the whiteboard on. And excuse me, but I'm gonna go back and forth looking at the video. Okay, so there's the whiteboard. Now, what I can do is I can do transparency, which still has me down at the corner over here. But what I was thinking about was that I was full screen. Let me see if I can put myself at full screen. I can make myself bigger. But then I can start. Let's see. So like if I had an image back here, I could do that, but otherwise, so what I'm gonna do is, let's see. Oh, let me get rid of that. Okay. So let me turn on. So this is a Wacom tablet that I've had for a long time, but I don't have to use a Wacom tablet. I could use the mouse if I wanted to. I got to find my mouse. Where'd my mouse go? So I can draw, as you can see here. I don't know why my mouse is going away. Something's up with the preferences. Let me see if I can pull that up. Mapping. So I can draw, I could say, of course, I'd have to figure out. Oh, I see what's going on. Okay, I got you. So it's like I look at this. I mean, it's not the easiest thing. It would require, but I can make it bigger. I can change the color. See, I can, so just do stuff like that. And then if I want to clear everything out, I can clear it out and I can start on new. But what I was talking about was like, so if I had, let's see, I think, so let me take the whiteboard off. Let me do a screen share, application window. Oof. Yeah, so we'll do this. So I'll share this, which I have no idea if that's what it's showing or not. Oh, it is. Okay. So I'm here, and then I turn on whiteboarding, and see it's a little transparent, so I can sit there and I can go, so see this right here. That doesn't work, but this does because it's got a more human element, and he's got a really neat hat up here, that we can draw on. So that's what. So anyway, this is what I was just wondering if it was a possibility for you to be able to include as an option, because I thought it might be kind of neat. So hopefully this video works out well for you. I'm sorry that it's long-winded. if you want me to discuss more with you, I'll be happy to. I'm going to end this now, hopefully.